How to cancel Airasia flight and get refund. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Airasia flight and get refund. First of all, open up the web browser. Here search airasia.com. After opening the site, click on the chat icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on Select right below Travel. Now select the Airasia flight option. After that, wait for your helping assistant to check if you have any upcoming flights booked with Airasia. As you can see, they are unable to find any upcoming Airasia flights linked to your account. Now select the flight cancellation refund from popular topics. After that, click on Credit Account. Now read all the instructions and then click on Credit Account Request. Now you need to enter your booking number by using capital letters, which is under the booking number column. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.